cafes fast depleting from Mumbai, soda bottle Openerwala at BKC Mumbai is something which all Mumbaikars are welcoming. Yes, this is an Irani cafe with a modern twist. Authentic, quirky, fun. As part of my food escapades, I'm here this afternoon for an authentic Irani lunch. So come along with me. Soda bottle Openerwala BKC Mumbai is authentic yet fun and quirky. There's a lot to choose from, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Chef has recommended aloo aunties cutlets, mutton dhansak with brown rice, and of course laganu custard. So I'm ready to dig into my authentic Irani meal. Potatoes, vegetables, nicely filled and packed in a deep fried bread-crumbed cutlet. And of course, the chutney to go along with it is absolutely amazing. It has jaggery, tamarind and subtle spices. I think they make an excellent pair. Now for some mutton dhansak and brown rice. I love the caramelized brown rice that's a part of Parsi cuisine. What is a Parsi meal without dhansak rice? This classic dish, dhansak, made out of mutton in this case and lentils with subtle spices, is an absolute treat for the palate. Tangy, creamy texture, and goes so well with the brown rice. A lot of my Parsi friends tell me that dhansak is something which is generally eaten on a Sunday lunch, as it can get quite filling. I quite agree with them. Subtle flavors, creamy texture. This one is an absolute treat. After having relished my lunch comprising mutton dhansak, brown rice and of course the cutlets, I'm now enjoying my shikanji bin, a refreshing light flavorful drink, and of course my dessert. No prizes for guessing what it is. Yes, laganu custard it is. Melt in the mouth. This classic dessert, generally made on Parsi weddings, is what I'm savoring. Milk, eggs, caramel of course, and nutmeg cardamom. That's what really makes this custard so unique. Can't possibly have a Parsi meal and not enjoy this custard. At least my experience is incomplete without this custard. I really have a weakness for it. I love the way this has been set so well. That truly was a filling and sumptuous meal at Soda Bottle Openerwala, BKC Mumbai. satiated with my meal at the soda bottle Openerwala. And trust me, with the kind of offerings they have on their menu, I don't think I'm really going to miss Irani cafes anymore in Mumbai. If you enjoy watching Mini's Food Fundas, do subscribe to my channel.
With me here is Medha, and I'm here in Goa in Port William, trying to learn how to make the Goan sweet papri. Hi Medha.
हाय,
आप मुझे बताइए कि आप ये पापड़ी कैसे बनाती हैं और इसमें क्या क्या लगता है?
ये नारियल लगता है, गुड़ लगता है,